Children, now I will explain the fourth problem in the first Roman, that is 4u square plus 8u. Okay. Fourth solution. Given polynomial is four u square plus 8u. Children, as you know that to find zeros you can equal this polynomial with the 0. To find zeros, let 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Okay, so at first we have to calculate the zeros of this polynomial, and then we should verify that the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So children, if you observe this polynomial, here we have a common term in the 4u square plus 8u, that is 4u. So that's why if you take 4u as common term, you will get remaining terms as u plus 2, because in the 4u square we have taken 4u as common term. That's why here we have only u, and in the 8u we have taken 4u as common term. That's why in this value we have only 2 only. That's why we can factorize this like 4u into u plus 2. Children, if you observe this, the product of 4u and u plus 2 equal to 0 means in the two terms maybe 4u equal to 0 or u plus 2 equal to 0. That's why equal these two terms with the 0. 4u equal to 0 or u plus 2 equal to 0. And if you simplify this, you can get from the first one u equal to 0, or in the second one, if you simplify this second one, you can get u equal to minus 2. That means here the zeros are 0 and minus 2. Therefore the zeros of the given polynomial are 0 and minus 2. Okay, 0 minus 2. Children, let name them as alpha and beta. That is, let alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to minus 2. Now we are going to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay. Here the given polynomial is 4u square plus 8u. This is in the form of au square plus bu plus c. And if you compare these two polynomials, you can get a, b, c values by comparing above polynomials. We get a equal to 4, because the coefficient of u square is a, and in the given polynomial coefficient of u square is 4. That's why a equal to 4. But in the given polynomial, now coming to the second one, coefficient of u is b in the standard form of the polynomial, and the coefficient of u is 8 in the given polynomial. That's why b equal to 8. But there is no constant value in the given polynomial. That's why c equal to 0. Okay. here we have AB values only because there is no constant term in the given polynomial. That's why we have C. We can write C as 0. Okay. Let's verify the relation by taking sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta. Here alpha is, what is alpha? S0. Alpha is 0. And what is beta? Beta is -2. So if you simplify this, you can get -2 as the result. And you can write -2 in the form of C B minus B by A. You can write -2 as minus of -8 by 4. Okay. Don't get confused, children. That's why I told you already, you need to learn the formulae, and then only it is possible to write in the form of minus b by a, and then only it is possible to write the values in the form of minus b by a or c by a as you want, according to the problem. Okay. So children, if you simplify this, you can get -2. I mean, you can get -2 by simplifying the fraction here. So minus of b by a. So that's why we can write -2 as minus of 8 by 4. Sorry, here I wrote 2 minuses. Right, just one minus only, -8 by 4, because of b is 8 and we need minus b by a. That's why minus b means 8, a means 4. Okay. And if you simplify this -8 by 4, you can get -2. So that's why we can write -2 as -8 by 4. That means this is in the form of minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x by, here the variable is u, that's why don't write x, write the u value. Coefficient of minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. Okay. Hence first relation verified. Now coming to the second one. Second one is product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means alpha into beta. Here alpha is here alpha is 0. Let's verify the zeros. Alpha is 0 and beta is -2. So that's why substitute the values in the places of alpha and beta. You can get yes 0 into -2, and if you simplify this, you can get 0 into -2 as 0, and you can write 0 in the form of c by a. Here what is c? C means 0, because already we discussed that there is no already we discussed that there is no constant term, that's why c equal to 0. So we can write, given we can write the 0 in the form of c by a, that is 0 by a means 4. If you simplify 0 by 4, you can get 0. That's why we can write 0 as 0 by 4, and you can write in the form of 0 by, in the places of 0 by 4, we can write c by a, because c is constant term, there is no constant in the given polynomial, that's why c equal to 0, and here a equal to 4, that's why in the place of 4 we can write a. So product of zeros alpha beta equal to c by a, hence the second relation also verified. Okay children, in this way, by using the formulas sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, product of zeros alpha beta equal to c by a, we can solve this type of problems. Okay.